Welcome to this English listening practice story. Today's episode tells a surprising and inspiring true story, how one mistake changed the world of sports forever. You will hear slow, clear, and easy English, perfect for improving your listening, speaking, and fluency. This story will teach you new vocabulary, natural sentences, and the fascinating history of rugby, a game born from courage, rebellion, and one unforgettable moment. So relax your mind, focus your ears, and let's begin the story.
Long ago, there was no game called rugby. People played simple ball games. They kicked the ball, they passed the ball, but they followed strict rules. In England, during the early 1800s, football was very different from today. Each school had its own rules. Some schools allowed hands, some schools did not. One small town in England would soon change everything. Its name was Rugby.
Rugby School was a famous boys' school in England. Students studied hard. They followed discipline, and they loved sports. Football was the most popular game, but the rules were clear. You must never touch the ball with your hands. Breaking this rule was not just wrong, it was unthinkable. Until one day, someone did. In the year 1823, during a football match at Rugby School, a young student named William Webb Ellis made a shocking decision. Instead of kicking the ball, he picked it up. The crowd froze. Then William ran forward, holding the ball tightly in his arms. Students shouted, teachers were shocked, rules were broken. This was a mistake, or maybe a rebellion. No one knew at that moment that history was being written. At first, people were angry. "This is not football," they said. "You cannot run with the ball." But some students liked it. The game felt faster, stronger, more exciting. Slowly, new rules were created. Running with the ball was allowed. Tackling was added. Passing backward became important. A new game was born. They named it after the place where it began, Rugby. Rugby did not stay in England. British soldiers, students, and sailors carried the game across the world. It reached Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, and France. Each country added its own style. Some made the game faster, some made it more physical. Rugby became more than a sport. It became a symbol of teamwork, strength, and respect. As rugby grew, people disagreed again. Some wanted a professional game, others wanted an amateur game. So rugby split into two types: rugby union, rugby league. Different rules, same spirit. One mistake had now created two global sports. Rugby is not only about winning. It teaches respect for opponents, discipline, courage, teamwork. After a match, players shake hands. They talk. They respect each other. This spirit comes from the game's history, a game born from courage to break a rule. This story teaches us something powerful. Sometimes mistakes are not failures. Sometimes they are new beginnings. William Webb Ellis broke a rule, but he created a legacy. Just like rugby, your English will improve step by step through practice, mistakes, and confidence. Thank you for listening to this English learning story. In today's episode, you practiced English listening, clear pronunciation, historical storytelling, new vocabulary. Keep listening, keep practicing, and remember, even a mistake can change the world.